My name is Jennifer Smith, and I'm the DLA Packaging Program Manager. Welcome to the DLA web series on packaging, hosted by the DLA Small Business Office. This is the first of several episodes that will provide insight and guidance into military and commercial packaging as related to DLA shipments. This episode will provide insight into the importance of military packaging. We'll discuss policy, importance, DoD storage and shipping environments, preservation, packaging, packing, and marking, or triple P&M, and we'll find out how packaging fits into the big picture. Material procured, received, stored, and issued by DLA must be properly identified and packaged at time of receipt. The warfighter must receive the right item on time, properly packaged, and in a usable condition. Military marking and packaging are a vital part of material sustainment. Proper preservation and packaging maximize availability and usability that ensures items are ready for use when needed. Preservation and packaging ensure that items can withstand the rigors of the transportation and storage environments. Effective military packaging protects equipment from extreme weather and terrain conditions. Military packaging is essential for supplies, equipment, and hazardous materials. Desert storage is extreme. Containers reach 120 degrees and greater. Most items are stored outside and must withstand wind, sandstorms, and other environmental hazards. This is just one of the reasons why it's so important to use military specification materials. Those materials have been tested to withstand this type of an environment and can properly protect the material wherever it's at. Many DoD storage warehouses were built during World War II and are general purpose. There's limited humidity and temperature controls. Several are in warm climates and sit along salt waters. The risk of corrosion and water damage is high. Military packaging requirements are designed to protect items from corrosion, water damage, and other types of damage. The DoD transportation environments are harsh. They do not mirror industry or commercial environments. There are shipboard underway replenishments and extremely rough terrains. There are hundreds of packaging references. The major documents that are used in packaging are DoD M 4140.04, Volume 9, DoD Supply Chain Material Management Procedures, Material Programs, DLAR 4145.7, Packaging of Material, Mill Standard 2073-1, the DoD Standard Practice for Military Packaging, Mill Standard 129, DoD Standard Practice for Military Marking for Shipment and Storage, ASTM-D 3951, Standard Practice for Commercial Packaging, DLAR 4145.41, Packaging of Hazardous Material, DLAR 4145.21, Preparation of Medical Temperature-Sensitive Products requiring cold chain management for shipment, and Mill Standard 147, DoD Standard Practice, Palletized Unit Loads. So what is triple P&M? Preservation is the processes and procedures used to protect material against corrosion, deterioration, physical damage during shipment, handling, and storage. It encompasses the application of protective measures, including cleaning, drying, preservative materials, barrier materials, cushioning, and containers. Military methods of preservation are defined in Mill Standard 2073-1. Packaging is the processes and procedures used to protect material from deterioration, damage, or both. It includes cleaning, drying, preserving, packing, marking, and unitizing. Packing is the assembly of items into unit packs and intermediate or exterior containers, with the necessary blocking, bracing, cushioning, weatherproofing, reinforcement, and marking. Marking is the applications of marking on unit, intermediate, and exterior packs. All markings must be in compliance with Mill Standard 129, and additional markings as specified by the acquisition activity. Interior bags or containers, when enclosed within another container to complete a unit pack, must also be marked with Mill Standard 129 identification markings. So where does packaging fit into the big picture? Well, it's everywhere. When a new item is developed, packaging is included in that development process. When it's procured, packaging has to be included in the procurement process. Material must arrive at distribution centers in a ready-for-issue state. If not, distribution center personnel must correct it, or it could be returned to the vendor for correction. At the time of issue, material must be packed for shipment. And finally, material must be packaged correctly to withstand the rigors of the Defense Transportation System. Thank you for viewing this episode on the importance of military packaging. Visit the DLA Packaging website for tips, tools, and guidance. Please provide feedback on this episode and other packaging topics you'd like to see in future episodes. Questions and feedback can be submitted to DLA_PKG_SR@DLA.mil.